Yeah. Yeah. Helmet on, twist the key. Ignition speaks in code, every rev's a confession. This machine's my antidote. Tired of people, of pressure, of pain that don't erode. So I ride with my shadow down this cracked and crooked road. They don't get it, I ain't running, I'm surviving. Gears shift smoother than the friends that stop writing. Silence in the pipes, but my soul keeps fighting. Front wheels my compass, back wheels lightning. Leather grip, knuckles tight. Engine singing truth, no therapist. Just a throttle in a route. Used to drown in my head, now I coast through the doubt. Feeling more alive the further I ride out. Cold grip, high road, wind cuts deep where the heart won't go. No map, no plan, just ghost and chrome. I ain't lost, I'm striding home. No cage, no chain, just gears and flame. Every scar I earn reminds me of my name. They say I'm reckless, now I'm calculated pain. Balancing on edges where control's a thin chain. Every curve's a question, every speed's a confession. Every line I cross feels like blessing or regression. I'm talking full throttle therapy, no filter. Mirror shows the past, but the present's built quicker. Used to sit still, used to fold under pressure. Now I lean into life like a storm chasing drifter. I ain't running from, I'm riding to peace, to truth, to something new. When the world goes quiet, that's my cue. Two wheels, one soul, breaking through. Cold grit, high road, wind cuts deep where the heart won't go. No map, no plan, just ghost and chrome. I ain't lost, I'm striding home. No cage, no chain, just gears and flame. Every scar I earn reminds me of my name. They call it escape, I call it breathing. Engines talking, I'm finally listening.